Hi guys, how to make t-shirt on Roblox. Now open your browser, go to roblox.com or create.roblox.com. Log into your account and click the Create tab at the top. This is where the magic happens, so don't skip it. From the left dashboard menu, click on Creations. Then click the Avatar Items tab at the top, select Classics, and finally choose Classic T-shirts. Follow this exact path, or you'll end up in the wrong section. Click the Upload Asset button, select your custom image file from your device, and click Open to place it onto the template dashboard. Here's a pro tip. Make sure your image is the correct size or Roblox will reject it. Enter a unique title for your t-shirt in the name box and add an optional description detailing your design. A good description helps people find your shirt, so don't leave it blank. Click the blue Upload/Publish button. Warning, this step is very important. Uploading an item costs a standard fee of 10 Robux to add it to your personal inventory or put it on sale. Keep watching for my next video on how to price your t-shirt for maximum profit.